All right, so this is the video solution for the task talking about documentation. So documentation is very important for an actuary's line of work. Yeah, I think you should really document. It's going to make a lot of people happy, and it will help you remember what you did before. So here's just an example of a documentation tab. Put your owner, put your name. You could put a date, whatever date you want. I just messed around and put 1/1/1970. I'm not sure if Excel was around back then, but put any date you want in there. I mean, not any date, the date that you completed this workbook. Also talk about the purpose of this workbook. What is it about? What are you trying to do? So in this workbook, what we're trying to do is we're going to try to clean up the raw claims data, and then we're going to summarize our claims data and also ask outstanding questions about the data. We have various tabs, and I put those tab names down here and just a description of each of the tabs. So that claim listing raw just contains the raw claims data before any data cleanup is done. Our claim listing clean is a copy of the claim listings raw tab, and we do put in data cleanup in here. Summary, we're just summarizing the claim listing, not the raw tab, but the clean tab, right? Then outstanding questions, it contains a list of questions regarding the data that we came up with. Curiosity is always good. And then I have an explanation of my data cleanup. So you'll see this in the next video solution, but there were bad entries for John Smith, one of the subscribers. There were bad dates in the incurred date and the reported date fields. And there were 2 bad entries for claim amounts, and we'll look at those here in a bit. But yeah, this is just a great example of documenting your work. I encourage you to always do something like this, and it'll pay dividends for you in the future. All right, let's move on to the next video solution, cleaning up that raw claim listing tab.